So this used to be my room, but now it's like it's the place that we put all the stuff, and there's a TV. We have cameras around our house, and what we do is we have the cameras not around our house, outside our house, and we use them to see like prostitutes and pit. No, I'm kidding. That was horrible. We use them to basically check on shit because my dad, he's a DJ. Cameras, it is. Oh god, whoa, that's flickering. We don't want that. Let's get it a bit. Whoa. Right, okay, I'd show it you, but it won't let me. Let's go on quad, see if it works. Oh, there you go. So there's 3 cameras, right? And apparently someone's had his wing mirror cut off or whatever. I don't know. It's boiling hot outside. Whoa. You got steamed up then. That looks good. Feel like I'm on top of the world, Tom.
I'm up a big fucking hill, I'm tired, it's hot.
I can't see. I can't. Shut up. So me and Tom decided to go on this big bike ride.
Yeah, we did.
That we shouldn't have done.
Yeah, we couldn't, we did a big hill.
Because we've been up 2 big hills. Jesus Christ!
No,
after you.
After you. Down.
Straight on.
For a while.
Going after you. Yeah, so. Oh! Oh God! So come on. So yeah, you might see my cheeks wobbling. But oh shit! Oh fuck! I'm sorry about swearing. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey! I took over it! Yes! Ah! Shit! Okay! So I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Oh! Oh, baby! Oh! Oh, now chill out. Oh! Yeah, so running up at them trees down there. Fuck! Oh no! Don't ever go bike riding down here because it's not a clever place, and it's like the hottest day ever. And I mean, oh, it's on puddles! Puddles! Okay. Just one puddle there.
Ooh, mama.
You want to ride for that?
No, I don't. Cheers, mate.
After you.
For fuck's sake, stop now. I've sworn, I'm sorry, little kiddie winks. I'm people that don't like swearing.
I'll talk to you. Got my camera out before you.
Yeah, mine takes ages to turn on, just bang! It's on.
Yeah, I know.
Mine's not. Because mine's a big fucker. I need one of them little flip things.
Tom. I am actually boiling hot.
We go down the cobbles. This could be weird because they're going to be like watching it. Woo,
oh my god.
Oh my god. Hi Joe, mate. Yeah? So we got down the cobbles. I nearly fell off. Jay was just clever and went down fast. And there's a hill we're going down. There's a hill we're not going up or down.
No one likes
and
Tom.
there's the cobbles.
No one's going to watch it, folks.
Oh,